Sige. Go. Sige.
Okay.
Pag-iyak ka.
Chelsea.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anu. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I wish you a really happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. Of course, we are thanking our niece, Nisa Kalamaya for providing this high-food greeting to you from us. Again, we wish you very much and I can see many more to come. Ang greeting comes from Nanay Abi, Tay Muling, Roel, Una, and of course Duna with her child, Turkey, who is crying now.
Okay.
Okay.